Hi, my name's Emily and I'm here at the Lippert Technical Institute. Today I want to go over the maintenance for your quick drop stabilizer jack. Maintenance is a great way to keep your product working for you and making sure that you have a great camping experience. So let's go over a few of those procedures that you can do to maintain this product. So here I have my maintenance kit, and these are all the tools I like to keep on hand to perform any maintenance, not only on the quick drop, but other Lippert products as well. So of course we have our cordless drill for operation, gloves to protect your hands, grease for that screw gear underneath, paper towels, black spray paint with a rust inhibitor. This is penetrating quickie lube, and our wire bristle brush. And that is also good for cleaning off any of the components on our quick drop stabilizer. So now that we have space and we have our tools, let's get started. One part of maintenance that you can perform every time you use your quick drop stabilizer is when you're going through the process of setting up your campsite, you'll inspect your quick drop to make sure that you remove any debris that has gathered in the system from travel. So you'll remove any sticks, leaves, or any other debris that might have been kicked up by your tires and caught into the quick drop. You can also take a paper towel, and if you drove through any kind of salty environment, it's always good to wipe down any movable parts and add that penetrating grease. So you can add the quick lube to this hex nut and this bolt here. And you'll want to do this more often if you're driving through a salty environment or if you're a full-time camper. So you can wipe that down, and then you can extend your quick drop to make sure all of that lubricant works into the system. A few things that you can do as part of maintenance after wiping your quick drop down and making sure that there's no salt or debris on it, you can take this wire bristle brush and clean any rust that has gathered. If there's chipped paint, you can clean that area, wipe it down. If you use soapy water, make sure that dries, or you can use an alcohol prep pad, and then you can take this rust inhibitor spray paint and spray paint any chip paint or scratches that you have, and that will keep rust from building up along the system and prevent it from damaging it. Let's talk about safety. It's always important to have safety glasses to prevent debris from falling into your eyes and hurting you. And we also need to grab our jack stands because these stabilizers are not rated to hold up the unit while you're performing maintenance, and if they fail, you can seriously get hurt. So let's grab those and put them in place. Now we have our gloves on and our safety glasses. We're going to extend our quick drop stabilizer all the way to show as much as that screw gear as possible. So release the gun as soon as you feel any kind of tension from that screw gear, and now we'll grab our grease and go underneath and get started. You can really get a good look at this Acme screw gear under here. It's very easy to tell if there's grease or not. Normally it will be a red tinted grease that you'll see. If it's lacking in any sections or you feel like your system's really struggling when you're operating, you can add that to any section of that gear. You'll take the lithium grease and add it along the screw gear. And once that gear is fairly well saturated with the grease, you'll run your stabilizer up and down a few times to really work that grease into the threads of that gear. Thanks for joining us today at the Lippert Technical Institute and giving me the opportunity to show you how to care for your quick drop and prolong the life of your product. If you have any questions or concerns, there's links in the description below to our support site and our Lippert communities. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you enjoy camping.